Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Chandra Gunawan. I'm from BBIC. Teaching narrative reading by using the subtext strategy for Islamic senior high school students. Abstract. The objective of the study were to find whether or not there was significant improvement before and after treatment of the 11 grade student reading comprehension score at one Islamic senior high school in Palembang by using subtext strategy and to find out whether there or not scores between of the students who were taught by using subtext strategy and those who were not. In this study, quasi-experimental design using protest now treatment groups design was used. There was 60 students take a sample. Each class consisted of 30 students from class 9, IPS 2, and control group of IPS 3. An experimental group in 30 students from class 11. Comparison test was used. There was given twice to both experimental and control groups by using independent sample test per sample in test SPSS. The finding, the result of the output from higher the table. It means the teaching reading narrative text by using subtext strategy has significant effect of the student reading comprehension scores. Introduction. English is a global language that cannot be spared from our daily life. It becomes an important language since most of the people use English of their daily communication and tool. According to Crystal, English is a global language which is widely to various countries of the various fields. In addition, state that English language is one of the most spoken languages in the world of today. Similarly, also said that English is the most widely used language in the world. It suggests at that people use English fluently in the foreign language besides only science, knowledge, technology, and art. English can be a tool of economic trade, international relations, social character, purpose, and education with development career. According to Sharifan, English is an international language refers to paradigm for thinking, research, and practice. Basically, encourage many countries to put English to put formal school curriculum and it will talk for elementary school until universities, and one of those countries is Indonesia. In Indonesia, English is very important to be mastered. Mathematics and English language teaching become increasingly important as the first foreign language in Indonesia. Therefore, the government requires of the school in Indonesia, especially at the high school, to level on English as one subject that tested national examination. According to law, it's publicly that English is important for Indonesia, and the reason most frequently for to forward in this English is a global international language. Reading has an important role in English. According to the Anderson, reading is an essential skill for learners of English. Most of the learners is the most important skill to master in the order master to success in learning. We strongly had reading skill learners of English to make great progress in the areas of language learning. In addition, Abdullah, Sapapti, and Tipan and Hassan state that learning is most integral part in language learning. Students with the track reading skill will able progress and attain getting development in an academic area. Furthermore, according to Macaulay and Jeffries, reading is important for some reasons such as reading in the help students to learn in English. Reading in English help students to build their English vocabulary, and reading in English make the student more comfortable with writing in English. That is why by reading students can increase their knowledge and ability in English. In Galatian, to this, however, comprehending as English is not easy activity. Plato and Genre argue is that in perhaps its more difficult language is skill not teach for each involves too many different elements such as mechanic improvement, grammar, vocabulary, and intellectual comprehension. Similarly, Hording and Oakley also had the typical characteristic of children is often difficult to understanding a wide text. They do seem to short but other piece of information they are looking for in reading activities. Students would not only read but also other activities understanding such as thinking, interacting, speaking, listening, and writing. Difficulties and obstacles faced in the process of teaching and learning reading cannot be considered of the only reason for students not to be able to master their reading skill. In Indonesia, reading still become a problem for the student. World Bank EAID described of East of Asia, Indonesian people had the lowest in reading English text. Indonesia student reading skill is lower than other countries. That means Indonesian student. While the CEO of the Chicago Watch, the portion of English the PISA reading 62 of the reading 70 countries participants responded for the program international student assessment. The data show that Indonesia reading skill is so poor. It means that Indonesia students need a strategy to improve their reading skill. Problems in narrative reading comprehension also happened to the 11 students of Apatra Palembang, one Islamic Senior High School in Palembang, based on the informal teaching English of the 11 students. There are many problems the students of reading. The problem were one. The student had of lack motivation on reading English text. Two, the student had of poor vocabulary, so they are able to able to use the family easily. Three, the student could be not reading of the context of narrative text. Four, the student got difficulty to identify the character of the narrative text. And five, some of students look too much in comprehending the text. It happened because there was no intrinsic value their interest in narrative reading text. Therefore, the student felt no bored in reading narrative and lazy in comprehending narrative text. Besides, the average score of reading comprehension in narrative text was lower than report the analytic exposition text in relation to the use of subtext strategy and notes by Sasra showed the subtext successfully improved the student reading comprehension skill. In addition, the second student will written Adela. So reported there was significant effect to by subsidiary on the new comparison of the students in high school. The study was designed to know whether or not there was significant improvement. The 11 grade students of the narrative reading comparison achievement who are worked by using subtext strategy and know to whether or not there was significant difference of 11 grade student narrative reading comparison achievement between those who work by using subtext strategy and those who are were literature review. Reading comprehension and narrative text. Reading comprehension is not main purpose of reading activity. All readers intend to have connection to material they are read. Of course, the process of reading comprehension is also more complex and technical. For reading, acquire the meaning of reading material according to DOM and software. Comprehending involves implementing and analyzing ideas and ways that influence the reader mind. The readers of the work purpose to presenting the material, comprehending some valuable information, state in passage in relation, comprehending the overall context of reading material, furthermore, passage in relation, comprehending the overall the material, furthermore, we start for the reading comprehension to the thinking process, work with international understanding for concept information presented in a text. Reading comprehension is really text to get the understanding to the text. Explain the comprehension is the process making meaning of from the text. Reading comprehension is also text to get the meaning and understanding of the text. Long division above we can assume the comprehension in the interactive process between reader and text to complete the writing message. Narrative is the type of the skill about the story but to problematic without explaining or definition. However, the general purpose of narrative text is to engage to the reader and immediate experience, but actually are the many purpose by narrative text is supported by Knapp and Watkin, who as the narrative will powerful social role beyond being medium for entertainment. It is also powerful medium for changing social opinion and attitude. Dengan expert narrative storytelling when regulating a single day of story related to one stroke, the narration thread can be clear regulated in detail something happened. In fact, there are many kinds of narrative text: fairy tales, mystery story, novel, and more. Most narrative text include most character and demonstrator. Donaldson take the narrative has been forward with essential comparison because in the defining character of the narrative is that a chain of event things that happen in the sudden practicable chronological order. Chain of the event are familiar to everyone within the culture must they are part of events. Subtext strategy. Several theoretical subjects that have been settled by number of particular revision and how the development tablet strategy have students to identify meaning that are not especially in the text. It's a student to think about various character in story when write down they say well. Category relation state the subject strategy engine in making personal connection developing its character strategy involves skill in balancing with character and understanding perspective different from their own. Subtext enable the student to reflect critically on text and writing by delving deeply into their own thought and feeling about situating character. According to writing and subtext strategy advocated in K-12, it is equal with the senior high school in Indonesia. This strategy can be applied for within text, can be also applied some notification reading such as history or social studies text. Because of this strategy can be applied to infection non-fitted text strategy. Both can be said a strategy which allow the student to contribute to their understanding some information by they are reading. The information can be derived from the understanding the background of knowledge. Then the student can be get around information about the reading complex in the new information of similar topic being read Leward, Elevation, and Hallstein. What's about of the step subject 1. Student read the story various character 2. Title give meaning of color of each. Defining follow say for thinking. Notes 3. Student get two roles in main character. One of the render character saying the other the character thinking. 4. Student use the saying and thinking no significant language issue. Method research design of the participant they study what equal experiment design process when non-factor group design there were two group experiment and control which was given some data on the process. The experimental was given treatment by using subtle strategy, but the control was not the population, and the research was 11 graduates of MA Patra Palembang, one of the Islamic General School in Palembang. Meanwhile, the sample were taken by using Confucius and Philosophers of Frankly, Wallon, and Hume claim that the Confucius sampling in the individual who are completely available in the sample of this study were 11 EPS2 and 11 in the EPS3. The EPS1, the 11 EPS2, the 11 EPS3 sample because they are already concluding on observing the teacher English offset classified the main same level and they were available to be studied. The total of the numbers of samples strictly surrounded to know each class. Data collection and analysis. In this study, we usually compare English sample volume to choice collection data. They are same items to the same verse of hotels because the purpose of giving them so no purpose of making the comparison score before and treatment. Grades was given before the treatment. The purpose of the prices to the student was now student English comparison score before mainly subject strategy. Meanwhile, protest giving after the treatment. The protest was estimated the know of the student negative comparison score of the compartment subject strategy the practice in order to measure the student process thought by using subject strategy. The data analysis design will calculate by means of SPSS 20 software in order whenever there are significant amounts of data and are they will treated by using subject strategy. The T associated with the inferior statistic analysis. Finding distribution of range data in the range data squares frequency and variable analysis. The score was operating from 1 protest score in the group 2 protest score in the control 3 protest from the experimental group and 4 protest score in experimental group. Table 1 distributing of range data on student rated of score control group scores. 32.50 frequency 2 percentage 6.7 score 40.00 frequency 3 percentage 10 score 42.50 frequency 2 percentage 6.7 scores 4500 frequency 2 percentage 3 6.7 scores 62.50 frequency 1 percentage 3.3 scores 70.00 frequency 1 percentage 3.3 scores total frequency 30 percentage 100. Based on the result analysis of student ranking in control group by instead of 2 student got 32.5 they actually got 40 the student of 42.5 2 student got 45 4 student got 47.5 3 student got 50 1 student got 52.5 3 student got 50 3 student got 57.5 1 student got 60 1 student got 62.5 1 student got 65 and 1 student got 70. Table 2 distribution of frequency data on student process score in the control group score 40.00 frequency 1 percentage 3.3 scores 47.50 frequency 1 percentage 3.3 50.00 frequency 1 percentage 3.3 52.50 frequency 1 percentage 3.3 scores 60.00 frequency 1 percentage 3.3 scores 75.00 frequency 1 percentage 3.3 scores total frequency 30 percentage 100. Based on the result analysis of students' parallel scoring control group is so the one student got 40, the one student got 47.5, the one student got 50, one student got 52.5, 5 student got 55, One student got 57.5, five student got 60, two student got 62.5, six student got 6.5, two student got 67.5, three student got 70, one student got 72.5, and one student got 75. Table 3. Distribution of frequency data in one student pretest score experimental group scores 32.50, frequency 1, percentage 3.3, scores 35.00, frequency 5, percentage 16.7, scores 37.50, frequency 3, percentage 10, score 16.00, frequency 2, percentage 6.7, score 67.50, frequency 1, percentage 3.3, scores total, frequency 33, percentage 100. Based on logical analysis of student preference of scoring in total, we saw one student got 32.5, five students got 35, three students got 37.5, one student got 42.5, two students got 45, two students got 47.5, five students got 50, one student got 42.5, four students got 55, one student got 57.5, two students got 60, one student got 62.5, one student got 55, and one student got 67.5. Table 4. Distribution of frequency data. One student posted or scored experimental group score 50.00, frequency 1, percentage 3.3, score 52.50, frequency 1, percentage 3.3, scores 60.00, frequency 4, percentage 30.13, score 75.00, frequency 5, frequency 16.7, scores 80.00, frequency 3, percentage 10, scores total, frequency 30, percentage 100. From the analysis above, it was found that around one student got 50, one student got 52.3, four students got 60, three students got 62.5, five students got 65, one student got 67.5, four students got 70, two students got 72.5, five students got 75, one student got 77.5, and three students get 80. Descriptive data ini data in total of sample and minimum and maximum score, mean score, standard or deviation. We analyze the score we obtained from 1 pretest score in the control group, 2 process score in the control group, 3 pretest from the experimental group, and process score in experimental group. Pretest control N 30, minimum 32.15, maximum 70.00, mean 50.9167. STD deviation 9.29598. Reagent experimental N 30, minimum 32.50.5, maximum 76.50, mean 48.0833. Normality test. In using normality test, I sample Kolmogorov sample use the data normal. Then group the control group N30 Kolmogorov timer 0.5656 0.907, result normal. Student posted experimental group N33 Kolmogorov Samirov 0.6346 0.816, result normal. Homogeneity. In music homogeneity test, different structure was the data homogeneous since the P output the higher than 0.05. Table 7. group Bridges control group N levels 0 2 9 1 6 0.591 result homogen posted control group N32 static 0.0856 0 0.772 result homogen. Result of hyperquality clinical study. For example, the user initiated clinical involvement by one student Islamic Central School in Palembang. Before and after treatment, independent sample details reviewed measure a significant difference on student narrative reading comprehension, achievement score logged by using subtext strategy and those who were not. Table 8. Using subtext strategy in MA Patra Mandiri Palembang. T. 11.399 DF. 29 6 0.00 Oh rejected H accepted. Table 9. Using subtext strategy and recheck method T 2989 DF 62 6 0.004 Oh rejected H accepted. From the table analysis is what found the output was 0.001. The T value of 3.465. It can be stated to there was significant difference on student reading comprehension score higher than the T table. Therefore, it can be concluded the multiple hypothesis was rejected and the alternative hypothesis was accepted. Discussion. Based on the finding above, some interpretations were made as follows. After condition the research is what followed. There were significant improvement from student pretest of the practice in experimental and control group from the result of the parent sample T analysis on the keyword covering comparison achievement and experimental group improved affiliate talk by using subtext strategy. Meanwhile, student reading comparison achievement in control group also improved, but not as significant as the experimental group did at the beginning. The pretest in the both control and experimental were conducted after the student pretest score obtained from control experimental group. We choose 11 IPS2 and as control group and 11 IPS3. As experimental group, it was become the student score in control with work higher than the student score is experimental group. It was also proven by the 11 IPS2, which the higher than 11 IPS3. It could happen because the student 11 IPS3 seemed bored when doing the test. They were lazy to read the provided text in the test. Thus, they answered the question without completing the test. In addition, we found that students faced difficulty for treatment in experimental group. The problem were 1. Lack of the student motivation in reading text. 2. The student got difficulty to identify the characteristic of the narrative text. 3. The student had good vocabulary. 4. He could understand the context of the narrative text. And lastly, 5. Some of these students got difficulties of the comprehending the text. To solve this problem, subtext strategy was conducted to help students in teaching and learning process of narrative reading. When we did the treatment in experimental group, there was significant improvement with subtext strategy after 12 meetings. Finally, based on the experiment above, subtext strategy was successfully applied to the 11 grade students of the Islamic Senior High School in Palembang. The statement was supported by two previous lines of the Sasran adalah the previous related study from the subtext strategy effective to improve student reading comprehension achievement and addition from the also found the significant difference from student narrative reading comprehension skill between students who were taught by using subtext strategy and those who were not. Therefore, the teaching authority can use subtext strategy in teaching and learning process to improve student narrative reading achievement. Conclusion. There are some conclusions that are from the growth of the research refer to finding the interpretation presented by the previous chapter reflects based on the result. The paper to process subtext strategy significantly improved student reading comparison score to the 11 grade student of Islamic Senior High School in Palembang. Second, there was significant difference on student reading comprehension score with the 11 grade student who were taught by using subtext strategy and those who were taught by strategy that was usually by the teacher of one senior school in Palembang. Therefore, it can be inferred that we teaching reading comprehension in narrative text by using subtext text strategy can be considered of an alternative strategy that can be used. I think enough from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.